So he's just walking and he finds a child's motorcycle. Ducati. No, it's not a Ducati. It's just a plastic Chinese kid's motorbike. And it's painted in the same mud as all the other motorbikes that he gets. But let's look at some of the comments that some of you guys have left. Right? Funny, the mud covering the bike is different to the mud in the... Yeah, obviously, yeah. Yep, you're right. Look how clean it is underneath the mud. Ooh. I bet the battery's... Well, it's brand new. 10 minutes silence for those who think this is real. Yep, 10 minute silence, guys. So he's taking what is a brand new motorbike apart for no apparent reason, just so he could make this video and get 1 million views and make a load of money. This is so funny. When he opened the covers, yeah, when he opened the covers it was brand new inside. When he's opening the back like this, look, it's brand new. Brand new! Oh my god. It's brand new! What are you doing? What are you doing? Well, this is one of the most obvious scam restorations I think we're ever going to see on the internet. Let's just savor this moment to watch this and enjoy in the, yeah, don't make a fool of us. This is an abandoned bike. It's not an abandoned bike now. He just put mud on it to make it look abandoned. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous that he would think that people, well, some people do think it's real. He's spraying a brand new bike. Well, he's probably spraying it after. So he's got the bike, it's brand new. At the end the kid rides around with it, but that's the beginning. And then we go backwards. So it's like a reverse restoration, really. Fake, you put it there, it's dirty mud. You can see, yep. It's fake, you're right. Actually, it's not old. No, first he filled the whole bag with mud and then, yeah, threw it in the farm. Obviously. We know that. You know that. You know that. You know. But we're just watching this for laughs, yeah? Because this is no restoration. No, never, ever is this a restoration. Oh, wow! Video title should be, this is the best comment. Must consist of 2 parts. How to properly apply mud on a bike and then how to clean the mud off a bike. That's what the title should be. How to clean mud off a bike after you've painted mud on the bike. And now his kid's riding around. But this riding around bit is the beginning. Yep, 100% fake video. Now, that's it. Fake as fake can be.